Are you sitting for a long time at home? And is your favorite massage place still closed? This week I'm going to show you 6 ways to massage your own lower back. Hi everyone, I am Yasuko and it's time for Massage Monday. Continuing with my YouTube channel cleanup, this week I'm going to show you 6 ways to massage your own lower back from the past videos. I would say that lower back is the second most popular spot for massage after neck and shoulders, usually grouped together. These massages are helpful if the cause of the pain is local to where you're massaging. However, it is possible that the cause of your lower back pain is somewhere else. If that's the case, you're not solving the cause of your pain, and your pain may persist or it may come back after temporary release. I will cover such case in another video. When you do a search on lower back pain images on Google, you see lots of these images with the 4 fingers covering the problem area. This is good for rubbing and heating up to get the circulation going for the lower back. To effectively massage this area, flip the hand around and place the thumb to press the tight sore area and go up and down. Press as you breathe out. Make small circles, but don't just move your thumbs because it's the fastest way to tire out your thumbs. Use the entire arm to move your thumbs. I'm exaggerating here, but you get the idea. You can also use supported thumbs, which is the thumb supported by the side of your index fingers and the tip of your thumb sticking out a little bit. You can press or make circles with the supported thumbs. To increase the pressure, bend slightly backward as long as it doesn't hurt your lower back. In fact, if there is any pain beyond where it hurts good during massage, you should reduce the pressure because your body will resist it anyway. Hurts good is good, but hurts bad is bad, so stay at hurts good pressure level. If you have long fingernails or want to cover a more general area, make a loose fist and press and squeeze your lower back. Start with a flat part of your fist for less pressure. Use the knuckles for more pressure. Make circles by moving your arms and by rotating your wrists. Whenever I make circles, I tend to do in a direction of wax on and wax off, clockwise on the right and counterclockwise on the left. But you can go downward too, of course. In case you're too young to know what wax on and wax off means, let's hear it from the master himself.
Wax on, right hand. Wax off, left hand. Wax on, wax off. Breathe in through nose, out the mouth. Wax on, wax off. Don't forget to breathe. Very important. Wax on.
So that was from The Karate Kid, released in 1984. That's 36 years ago. Oh my god. To increase the pressure, make a firmer fist and squeeze or circle. And again, you can lean back slightly as long as it's not hurting. Either with your thumb or fist, you have to keep working at it. To rest your thumbs, arms, and fist, place it on your lower back and bend sideways. This way, you can still press the lower back muscles one side at a time without an effort. Move up and down as you wish. Here's supported thumbs and fists. You can do this on the floor too. Lie on your back and put the knuckles on the lower back muscles and move the fists up and down. Or squeeze by lifting the elbows. Massage becomes easier whenever you use your body weight. Another way to use the gravity is to lie sideways with the top leg bent at the hip and knee. Press your fist into the lower back muscles from the side. Go up and down as you move your fist to loosen up the tight area. Besides your fist, you can also use supported thumb. Move the entire fist to move the supported thumb. Put 2 lacrosse balls in a sock and tie the open end. Place this on your back with the balls on each side of the spine. Lean against the back of the couch. You can move up and down or wiggle side to side. Adjust the space between the balls to target different areas. I like lacrosse balls because they are hard and give good pressure, but use tennis balls if you like softer pressure. I keep another one in my car and use it while driving whenever I feel lower back pain. The following points are safe to press during pregnancy. Press these points for 1 minute as you breathe deeply, and do these several times a day. If you can't hold it for 1 minute, that's fine. You can do shorter intervals. The first set of points are on the hands and the easiest to press. There are 2 on each hand. One is at the end of the groove between the index and middle finger. The other one is at the end of the groove between the ring and pinky finger. You can press these points with your thumb and index finger or any combination of fingers you like, or 1 point at a time with a hook thumb. These are not on the major meridians and they are called EXUE7. EXUE means extra upper extremity. The second ones are 2 finger widths from the spine in the back at the belly button level. This is called UB23 or urinary bladder 23. Put your hands on your waist at the belly button level and press them with your thumbs. The last ones are in the center of the crease in the back of the knee. This is called UB40 or urinary bladder 40. But don't press these points if you happen to have varicose veins there. Bend your knees and press these points gently with your middle fingers or middle fingers supported by index fingers or middle fingers supported by ring fingers or whatever that's comfortable. So these were the ways to give yourself a lower back massage. But if you happen to have a partner, I have a program on how to massage your partner or how to get massaged by your partner. You can download a free massage guide from the link here and below. Thanks for watching. I'll see you back next week. Make it a great week. Feel free to comment below and please don't forget to subscribe and click on the bell so you'll be notified when my videos up and out.